Hello, welcome to tip number 9, and this one is going to make some of you slightly uncomfortable because it requires a kind of strategic coldness that doesn't always feel natural if you're a warm, open person. We're talking about the office gossip. Every organization has one, sometimes several. They might be charming and funny and genuinely enjoyable to be around. They come bearing information and warmth, and often a detailed knowledge of things that happened years before you arrived. They will seek you out, usually within the first 2 weeks, definitely within the first month, and they will begin sharing things with you with an intimacy that feels like friendship. I want to be very clear about what this person is and isn't. What they are: an extraordinary intelligence resource, the things they know, the political history, the interpersonal dynamics, the reasons behind decisions that were never explained officially. This is genuinely valuable information for navigating your new environment. Do not dismiss it. Do not tune out. Listen carefully and file everything away. What they are not: a confidant, a safe space, a friend yet. Not because they're a bad person. Many office gossips are genuinely lovely humans, but because the thing that makes them useful to you is also the thing that makes them dangerous. They share information freely. That's the whole thing, and that cuts in every direction. So the protocol is this: when the office gossip finds you, and they will find you, be warm. Be engaged. Be genuinely interested in what they're telling you. Ask occasional neutral questions that invite more information. Really? How did that end up resolving? Absorb everything and share nothing. Not your opinions about colleagues, not your frustrations about your new role, not your observations about the team dynamics you're starting to notice, not even low-stakes things. Because once you've established yourself as someone who reciprocates in kind, the expectation builds. The way I think about it, you are a reader of this publication, not a contributor. Read it voraciously. Write nothing. There's also something important to understand about the gossip ecosystem in any office. The people who are most successful politically are almost always the ones who are known to be safe with information. They're the people others trust enough to tell the real things to. And that trust is built, largely, by not being the person who shares what they hear. The office gossip is your introduction to this ecosystem. Handle the introduction correctly, and you've established yourself early as someone who can be trusted. Handle it incorrectly. Share something that shouldn't have been shared. Add your own flavor to something that was told to you in confidence, and that reputation starts forming immediately. Be a sponge, never be a sieve. Full ebook in description. Remember to like, share, and subscribe for more tips like this.